Hello and welcome. Florida Grizz here, and today I'd like to show you two little craft projects for Valentine's Day that you can probably do with some of the materials you might have laying around the house. First one we're going to do is a beautiful flower vase made from recycled plastic containers. First of all, you'll need the container, rinse it off real well, remove the labels, and then you're going to take a utility knife and cut the container down to the desired size that you'd like to have it. After it's cut down and dry, it's ready to put a paint job on, a custom paint job. And to do that, I use this product here. It's made by Rust-Oleum. It's specially made for plastic containers. It comes in a gloss finish, which gives it a really nice, shiny, almost a glass look. So it works really well. I spray it in about 30 seconds. I take it out far away from my garden area and follow the instructions. It has to be shaked up really well, and you have to have a certain temperature for it to dry well. I let it dry overnight, and after it's all dry, I'm ready to customize it a little bit for Valentine's Day. And to do that, I found some stickers over in the card section, where the Valentine cards are. There's all kinds available and all different shapes, sizes. Some of them have a little saying on them, like "Say yes, I love you, sweet pea," and all kinds of different things. And it's only up to your imagination what you might want to do with these, as far as how many you want to put on the vase. Put one or two, or if you want to just put them all over. Uh, that gives it a little bit of a custom look. So, and you can find these containers. They're readily available. You probably have some laying around the house from some drinks that you've had recently. Sometimes I'll just walk along the road near my house and find them laying alongside the road that were discarded. So, so they're easy to find. They're, of course, you get this free. The paint is around $6 a can, and you can get it at any big box store, Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart. $6 a can, and you can probably do somewhere between 12 and 15 different size vases with one can of this spray paint. So, and then of course you want to add your flower arrangement. I'm in Florida here, so I'm fortunate to still have a few flowers growing. We've had some pretty cold weather, but a few of them are still hanging in there. And I just went out in my backyard here where I have a big garden area and picked a few to kind of show you what they look like in the vase. I don't claim to be a florist by no means. I'm actually a retired handyman, crafter guy, you might say. But this is kind of what to show you what they look like in one of these vases. I really feel good about using the plastic containers. So many of them are ending up in our landfills where they're taking a long time uh, to break down. Unfortunately, a lot is landing in our waterways, like our lakes, rivers, streams, and even our ocean is has a lot of plastic pollution. So I feel good by recycling these. They'll last a long, long time. Uh, if you gave this to a friend, probably 10, 15 years from now, it'll still be in good shape. They won't break like a glass vase. If a glass vase falls on ceramic, it's not going to turn out well. But these that fall on the floor, no damage done. So that's a good thing there. So yeah, yeah, I kind of feel good about using these in this way. Like I said, these are this paint is available in I think over 30 colors. Today I have the black, red, pink, but it's only up to your imagination what you can do with it. The other thing I wanted to show you is a little personalized card that I came up with here. This is kind of my own idea. I didn't see this in a craft book or anything. I took a piece of what they call cardstock. It's a little heavier paper, and I folded it in half. And hopefully you can see that good. I drew a picture of a bear, and then you'll need a pair of scissors. Cut that out. I think this paper is available in red. I only had white on hand. I found some craft paint that I had. It's just an acrylic little craft paint that you can get in most anywhere that sells craft supplies in red. And what I did is I took just a little paintbrush and I painted the card red and let it dry for a little bit. But like I say, I think this cardstock is available in red. So what I did further here is I cut out the shape. The tricky part is where you go from the back of the front leg to the front of the back leg. You want that to be kind of a half of a heart shape. If you can see that, and I'll tell you why in a minute. So after it's cut out, I take a felt marker and I wrote on the front of it here. If you can see, I wrote on there, "I love teddy bears, Yogi Bear, Smokey Bear, Build-A-Bear, Bear Hugs, Bear Rugs, but most of all," and you open it up like this, "I love you," and there's the heart. Yeah, so like I said, this was kind of my own little thought up craft to make a kind of a personalized little Valentine's Day card to go with your little customized flower vase. So it's an easy thing to do. Like I say, these plastic containers are everywhere, and the paint is found, like I say, off Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart. The stickers you can get. I believe my wife picked these up at Walmart. So yeah, so everything that you need is pretty simple. It's a fast way to make a really custom looking little flower vase that'll last a long time. And so yeah, with that said, thanks for watching the video, and thanks for supporting the channel, and hope to see you real soon on another video. Bye for now.